It's the Flowers for Mom Challenge, and I am making my mom a live flower pot, and I'm getting started right now. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I am participating in, hosted by Krssie's Flowers for Mom Challenge. And the only rule is that we have to make a floral arrangement for our mom. It could be live flowers, faux flowers, no budget, whatever. Now my mom loves flowers, but she also loves birds. So this year, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this sweet little pair of lovebirds sitting on a log, and I thought these would be perfect in her pot. And before I found those, I found this little ceramic bird that can also fit in the pot. So we'll see. This one is definitely going to go in, and I'm going to figure out something with that one if I don't decide to keep it for myself. And then I always fill a pot that she already has. So let me show you the pot. So this is a pot that I'm going to use, and it's rather old. She's had it for years. She got it from a friend probably a good 10 or 15 years ago. She has a pair of them. And at first I was going to paint it, but me and my husband looked at it and we decided we like the rusticness of it, and so we're going to leave it as is. I'll just clean it up a little bit, but I'll leave it as is. And then the centerpiece is going to be this, and it's lavender. And she likes the look and the smell of lavender. So I'm going to put lavender in the center of this pot here. And then around that, I'll add some Dusty Millers. And then I picked up a couple petunias. I'm kind of working the purple thing this year. So we'll have that and that. Oh no! Somehow, between transporting these from the flower shop to here, these two got broken. Oh my goodness, 3 of them got broken. Well, the good thing about geraniums is that they do grow back quickly, so I guess I'll just have to go ahead and trim those off. But this will be in there as well. Oh, and then I've got this pink one. So we're doing pink and purple with a little bit of white. So let me get this started. Let's rough up the edges just a little bit so the roots can start growing in a different direction. Kids are starting to come home from school, so I'm hearing them on the street and cars of the parents bringing them home. People are out cutting their grass. I want to make sure I've got room for this, so I'm going to get that in right away. I want it to sit like right here, like that. Yeah, maybe right there. And there's 2 of them here, so I only need the one right there. Put this one right there. As big as this pot is, I can probably put 7 to 9 things in here. I always go with an uneven number. Petunias are nice and they're hardy. And I'll go over and help her take care of them. Like I'll go over and make sure things get watered. And this other purple one, we'll go it down here. I think I'll put this one back here. That one is there. And I think we've only got space for one of these. I like to overfill them, but I don't like to stuff them too much. So let's get this one right in here. There. That looks really nice. She's going to love this. Take a look at that. She is going to love that. Let's water it in. Now let me give you a close-up look of that. It is absolutely beautiful. My mother is going to love it. And let's see if I can give you a look at the back. Turn it around for you. This is the other side. And here's the other little bird right there, next to this Dusty Miller. So there's something interesting all the way around. Now my question for you is this. Which part of this arrangement do you like the best? Tell me about it in the comment section below. So let me just thank Krssie at Hosted by Krssie for hosting this challenge. It is just so nice to be able to share with all of you this beautiful arrangement that I put together for my mom. And I realize how lucky I am that she's still here. So I definitely want to give her her flowers while she can still enjoy them. And I'm going to link the playlist below so that you can check out all the other amazing DIY floral projects that other people have put together either for their mom or in memory of their mom. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.